H- Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 3A and 3B simulation exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat. Okay, let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question number 1 is that in cell C6, create a formula to divide the value in cell B6 by B15. Okay, click on cell C6, press is equal to, okay, B6 divided by cell B15. B15 is absolute, we will enter dollar sign. Okay, simply B6 divided by B15. B15 is absolute value. We will enter dollar sign, press shift and click on 4 button for dollar sign. B$15. Press enter. Copy the formula from cell C6 down cell C7 to C14. C14. Okay. Format cell C6 to C14 with the present cell with present style and 0 decimal centered. Okay, okay, go to the home tab in the number group with apply 0 decimal places and go to the alignment tab, apply center the alignment. Question is completed now. One second, my internet connection is slow right now, disconnected, really sorry. I am going to connect again my internet right now. Okay, please, really sorry for waiting. Okay, question number 2 is that create a 3D pie chart using the range 6 to A14 and C6 to C14. First, we will select this range 6 to A14, press Ctrl and then select second range C6 to C14, C6 to C14. Go to the Insert tab in the Charts group, click on Pie Chart, insert 3D pie chart. So move the pie chart to new sheet and name the new sheet a survey result. Go to the design tab in the location group, click on move chart button. New sheet, click on new sheet checkbox. The new sheet name is survey result. The new sheet name is survey results. Okay. Click on OK button. The chart will be moved on a new sheet, survey result. The next question of this exam is that question number 3. Add the chart title, type customer survey. Click on chart title and then we will add the chart title customer survey. Okay, we will type here. We will remove this previous and then we will type customer survey for a chart title. Customer survey for the chart title. Okay. So to the chart title, apply the word art style, fill blue accent color one shadow in the first row of the second style. So we will apply the word art style on this chart title. We will select the chart title, go to the format tab in the word art style. We will apply blue, sorry, What art style? Fill blue as in color 1, shadow. Okay, change the font size of the chart title to 16 point and deselect the chart title. We will go to the home tab, select this chart title, go to the home tab. In the font size, apply 16 font size on this chart title and deselect the chart title. So question number 4, I have done 3 questions right now. Question number 4 is that remove the legend from the chart title. Click on chart element button. Simply click on legend checkbox. Uncheck this box legend and remove the legend. Click on uncheck the box of legend. Okay. Add data label position in the outside end of these slices on the pie chart and format the data label so that only the category name and percentage are applied. Remove the leader lines and close the format data label pane. Okay, at data label position in the outside end of the slices on the pie chart. Go to the data labels and position outside of the chart and then format the data label so that only category name and percentage are applied. Click on data label button. Go to the more. Click on outside position. Okay, data label are outside position. So okay, only category names and percentage are applied. Click on category checkbox and percentage checkbox. So remove the leader line and close the format data label pane. Remove the leader line. Okay, click on uncheck the leader line box and close the data panes. Okay, uncheck the value box and close the task pane. So format the data label with bold and italic and change the font size to 11. Okay, we will select this data label, go to the home tab. In the font group, we will apply bold and italic and font size to 11. Go to the font size and apply 11 font size. Question is completed now. So moving on, next question of this exam is question number 5. Use the format data series pane to apply the first bevel effect the top of the pie chart with the width and height of 512 point. Then apply the same effect to the bottom of the pie chart with the width or height of 512 points. Change the surface material of the chart to metal. Do not close the format data series task pane. Okay, I am going to do this question. Please focus on my laptop screen and you can run your question by watching this video. Use the format data series pane to apply the first bevel effect to the top of pie chart with width height of 512 point. Okay, click on format. So right click on this chart. Click on format chart area. Okay. First bevel effect of the top of the pie chart. First bevel effect. Go to the series options. Go to the fill and go to the shadow. Okay, 3D format first bevel effect. We will apply first bevel effect to the top of the pie chart where the width and height is 512 point. Width and height is 512 point. Okay, and then apply the same effect to the bottom of the pie chart and width and height is 512. Same effect of the bottom is first bevel effect on the bottom of chart. So width and height is 512 point. Okay, change the surface material of the chart to metal. Surface material to metal. Where is metal? We will apply the surface material of the chart to metal is here. Okay, apply this metal surface material of the chart to metal. So question is done now. So moving on question number 6. To the pie chart apply the Perspective upper left preset shadow under perspective in the first row. The first shadow style keep the formatted series task pane open. To the pie chart, apply the perspective upper left preset shadow. Okay. Please focus on my laptop screen. I am going to do this question and you can follow my video and you can done your exam by watching this video. One second. Go to the shadow. Preset is apply the perspective upper left preset shadow. Upper left preset shadow. Perspective upper left is here. Okay, perspective is upper left. So in the first row of the first shadow style, keep the formatted task pane open. Okay. So we will apply this. Question is done now. Moving on, question number 7. Change the angle of the first slice to 250. Keep the formatted series task pane open. We will select first slide and then we will change the angle of the first slide to 250 degree. We will select first slide and then we will change the angle of first slide to 250 degree. Go to the angle. We will type here 250 or we will set the angle to 250 degree. Okay, explore the internet search slide from the pad by 50%. We will select this internet search slice and then explore to 15%. Where is internet search slice? And then explode to 15% and leave the format data task pane open. Okay, I have set 15%. Explode. Now change the fill color of the internet search slice to gradient fill preset bottom spotline S and 4 in the fourth row. The fourth gradient continue to leave the task pane open. Okay. Change the fill color of the internet search slice to the gradient fill preset bottom spotline S and 4. In the fourth row, the fourth gradient. Go to the fill color. Go to the gradient fill color. And then we will apply gradient fill preset bottom spotline 4. Okay, here is the fourth row, the fourth gradient. Fourth row, the fourth gradient. Okay, I have applied this color. You can see I have done 8 questions right now. Moving on, question number 9. Format the chart area with a gradient fill using the preset gradient top spotline S and 6 in the second row, the sixth gradient. Okay, format the chart area with the gradient fill using the preset gradient top spotline S and 6. We will click on the format. Okay, go to the fill color. First we will select format chart area. Click on gradient fill and then we will apply gradient fill using the preset gradient top support line S and 6. We will apply top support line S and 6. Here is S and 5 and top support line S 6 is there. We will apply top support line S and 6 in the second row, the sixth gradient. Okay, we will apply this color. Okay, apply a border to the chart area using the color black text one. Okay, go to the borders and we will go to the colors and we will apply black text one color. Okay, black text one color to the borders. Here's the color. We will apply black text one color to the border. Here is the black text one color. Okay. Close the format chart area pane. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 10 question out of 22. It's mean I've done 50-60% of exam in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.